We took video from an ARCO gas station provided by Jerry Singleton and used it to create a 3D model of Eaton Canyon through a process called photogrammetry. This technique takes videos and images from different angles and stitches them together to build an exact digital model that recreates the canyon's shape and details. In essence, a 3D map. That's a street lamp, and you can ignore that. At 6:11 p.m., there was a fault at one of Edison's substations, which can cause voltage surges miles away. Here you see the first flash or arcing at the top of the transmission tower number 3. During arcing, electricity jumps from one place to another, and the lines can dangerously flash and spark. When that happens, the metal on the steel towers can reach temperatures as high as 1,500 degrees, literally melting pieces of the towers. We then see a second flash, another arcing event, along the high-voltage transmission line attached to tower number 3. Now, that 1,500-degree molten steel falls onto the dry brush and vegetation on the ground and catches fire. This paints a very clear picture of the start of the Eaton fire. We've also received very important videographic evidence taken by witnesses at the start of the fires. We've analyzed different videos and photos provided by Adrian Timaron, Pedro Riojas, and Jeffrey Q. and others. All these videos show a fire starting under tower number 3 and then progressing down the hill. So we've taken our 3D model and using photogrammetry, we've incorporated the witness photos and videos. Here you can see the position of the Timaron house relative to the transmission towers. We're able to see the beginning of the fire at the base of transmission tower number 3, progressing to the other 2 towers, and then down the hillsides towards Altadena. The Eaton fire is my 22nd wildfire case. I've represented over 21,000 fire survivors in 6 different states over the last 7 years. And this is the clearest evidence that I've ever seen that a utilities equipment was the start of a wildfire.